Hi, welcome to the Rockport VAL Portfolio Training course. My name is Lynn Clark, Head of Customer Success here at VAL. In today's video, we will walk you through how to create a portfolio from scratch, portfolio reports, and how to share a portfolio. At the bottom of the screen is a video progress bar. Here you can access the table of contents and jump to specific topics. Let's begin. To create a portfolio from scratch, select which properties to include and click on the Add to Portfolio button located at the top of the screen. Enter a name for the portfolio and click Enter. The Portfolio tab displays all portfolios that exist in VAL. Here you can see the portfolio we just created, which I will click on to open. You can include properties across all asset classes in the portfolio, whether it is an office, retail, industrial, multifamily, or hotel. The Property List screen will display all properties included in the portfolio. Here you can select whether to include the property in the reports by toggling Yes or No in the In Use column. To add additional properties to the portfolio, click on the Add Properties button at the top right-hand corner of the screen and select which properties to add. To delete properties, click on the X icon located at the last column next to the property name. From the Property List screen, select when to begin the reporting start date and number of years of the analysis. To align the number of years across all properties in the portfolio, select the Auto Extend Property Analysis Period button. For example, if you have a property with a 5-year hold, but want to view the portfolio over 10 years, clicking on this button will extend the property results for 10 years for all the component properties. When rolling up a portfolio, the default scenario selection will be based on the current scenario within the property. From the Scenario drop-down menu, you can select other scenarios that exist within the component-level properties and calculate the portfolio. Next, let's view the consolidated cash flow. Here you can choose whether to roll up the cash flows by property name or by miscellaneous income and expense names. The results on the cash flow can be displayed annually, monthly, or quarterly. There is drill down capabilities on this report to view each line item at the asset level and tenant level. Click on the Show Tenant Level Details toggle to hide or display the tenant level details on the cash flow. All reports can be exported to Excel by clicking on the Excel icon on the top right-hand corner of the screen. The Rent Roll report displays tenant-level details across the portfolio, and view the tenant exposure across your portfolio in the Lease Expiration report, which displays how much square footage is expiring in each year of the analysis period. In the Valuation screen, VAL will aggregate the valuation results as set up in the component properties. In addition, you could set up an unlimited number of valuations at the portfolio level to calculate a DCF or direct cap value. To add additional valuations, click on the drop-down menu and select Single Cash Flow and click Add Valuation. Enter a name for the valuation and choose whether to calculate a DCF or direct cap. Enter a cap rate, discount rate, and hold period, and have VAL recalculate the value based on your inputs. Once your valuations are created, click on the Valuation Single Cash Flow report to gain access to the Valuation Reports. There are 4 valuation reports available by navigating the tabs at the top of the screen. The Sales Yield Matrix report displays the values based on a range of discount rates and cap rates. You can toggle between the valuations from the drop-down menu. The Prospective Present Value report calculates the value in each year of the hold and includes the residual value and going-in cap rate. The Valuation Roll-Up Underlying report displays the aggregated values in each component property. Now that we have reviewed and analyzed the portfolio using our baseline scenario, let's say we want to view the portfolio results based on a scenario we created assuming a 90% renewal probability across all properties. Open the Property List screen and select the Scenario 90% renewal probability, which was created at the component property level. Now, if we take a look at our cash flow report, the results will apply that 90% renewal probability scenario, and we can see the impacts of our cash flow and value across the portfolio. To share your portfolio, click on the hamburger icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen and select Share. Copy the link and paste in your email, listing site, or anywhere you want to share your portfolio with another user. The recipient receives the portfolio and a read-only version of all the component-level properties where they can make a copy to edit. And that's how you create a portfolio in VAL. Additional resources are available to ensure you are successful. Check out our website to access dozens of training videos across all property types, as well as downloadable PDF training guides. Within the VAL application, click on the orange question mark to access hundreds of step-by-step tutorials. You can also reach out to our support team at support@rockportval.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.